Right, I'm just on the way down to the night boat. It's going to be our first trip taking this BMW away in a long time, and this definitely needs a service. I bought it up in Bangkok a while ago. So where we're heading in is to Hat Yai. Hat Yai is the closest BMW dealership that we got in Thailand, and that means we've got to get a night boat. So night boat leaves at 9:30. We arrive in Surat Thani tomorrow at about 5 in the morning. We'll grab some breakfast, and then it's a 5.5 hour journey to Hat Yai. So I'm just arriving now. This is Sari, the main area of Koh Tao. Quite busy at the moment. We're just at the full moon rush. So this is Mayhad we're coming into now. Usually very quiet at night. Got about 4 hours sleep, and not the comfiest place is a night boat. Heading now to get some breakfast. At the moment we're just driving around trying to find a dim sum place. We got full bellies full of dim sum now, and it all tastes very similar, but yeah, it does the job. We're going to head down into the national park, do a few little twisty roads through the, well, mountains and jungle, and then we'll head over to the coast, and there's a coast road that goes all the way down, pretty much down to Hat Yai.
I'm stuck on you. Been waiting this night to get that call. Hung up on you. I wanna do you everything on me too.
Alright, now we're getting into the mountains now. This is gonna be some really good biking. Look at that.
Hung up on you. I wanna do you everything on me too. I'm stuck on you.
Our first little mini off-road experience on these bikes, which is what they're meant for. But if you look at the tread on my tyre, these are definitely more street orientated, 80/20, and Gaz has got these really thick tread on his. Yeah, so his is performing really well in this, whilst mine, the back end keeps skidding out all the time. Alright, we're going to go up this little tiny track here. Apparently there's a nice viewpoint at the top. Let's have a look. Rice, cucumber, some nondescript meat, hopefully beef. This one, it's like a chunk of fish, and Gaz is having Massaman beef. Tribal fish. That's got some spice to it. Yeah. Well, good thing we're not driving tomorrow. So yeah, bring on the spice. It's got like fermented fish taste to it, you know. Sounds delightful. This could be the best beef I've ever tried in my life.
I'm going to say it's not.
It's not the best. It's not the best, but it's super soft. It's been stewing in there for pretty much about 5 weeks, I think. This bit not so much. I think this one's been in there about 3 months. I think this is like a lucky dip. Well, that's going to put us on for a little bit. I'm not going to say it was the best meal we've ever had.
Been waiting this night to get that call. Hung up on you. I wanna do you everything on me too. I'm stuck on you. Been waiting this night to get that call. Hung up on you. I wanna do you everything on me too.
Alright, we are just heading over the bridge to the tiny little island of Karoo. Welcome to Hat Yai. It's a little bit overcast now, unfortunately. We were hoping to dip in the pool. I don't think we'll be able to get the BMWs in today for the service. I think that's going to have to get put off until tomorrow morning. And here we have it, the Hat Yai. Where's the VIP car park?
Been waiting this night to get that call.